Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel The Knowledge Hacks. Today, I'm going to be talking about the summary of the book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book is a fascinating look at the way we think about money, and how our psychology can often lead us to make bad financial decisions. Chapter 1, No One's Crazy. In the first chapter, Housel talks about how our experiences shape our views on money. For example, people who grew up during a bull market will be more likely to see the stock market as a safe and reliable investment, while people who grew up during a recession will be more likely to be afraid of it. Chapter 2, The Illusion of Control. The second chapter talks about the illusion of control. This is the idea that we think we have more control over our financial future than we actually do. For example, we might think that we can time the market and make a lot of money by buying and selling stocks at the right time. But the reality is that the market is unpredictable, and no one can really time it perfectly. Chapter 3, The Paradox of Wealth. The third chapter talks about the paradox of wealth. This is the idea that the more money we have, the less happy we become. This is because money can't buy us everything we want, like happiness, love, or health. Chapter 4, The Importance of Compounding. The fourth chapter talks about the importance of compounding. This is the idea that money grows over time, thanks to interest and dividends. The earlier we start saving and investing, the more time our money has to compound.